Today, we have the privilege of hosting a distinguished academician and leading voice in geospatial technology and environmental management. You have taken on the role of open source geospatial faculty coordinator, and the university has been recognized as an open source geospatial knowledge partner under the IIT Bombay 𝐼𝐶 GIS initiative. How significant are these recognitions?
So getting a recognition from 𝐶𝐸 and getting a recognition from Ministry of Education NMCIT project that enhance exposure of students to connect all these institutions, and also it's going to give them exposure for the different free and open source software utilizations, and this will also give them different kind of scholarships which they provide.
Given your global exposure and collaborations, how is Symbiosis Institute of Geoinformatics expanding its reach at the global level?
Symbiosis Institute of Geoinformatics in this view collaborated different institutions. In a research, we have collaborated with that IHE Delft, Wageningen University in the Netherlands, on the research of disaster management, basically hydrometeorological disaster. Second is that the dual degree program with the Russian university we have. So students, they can have this second degree at Russian university.
What kind of career opportunities can they expect after graduating from SIG?
Recently, as mentioned, we have agreement with that the 𝐶𝐸. The 𝐶𝐸, which is that Government of India initiative, where that IIT Bombay 𝐶𝐸, they provide internship to all students, opportunity to all students for internship in IIT Bombay.
Sir, for students who are considering a career in geoinformatics or data science, what advice would you like to give them as they plan their future?
So my advice is that each and every student to look on first to develop a skill, either it's a spatial science or a data science, where you have an interest, and then make yourself able to do those things and make yourself able and saksham.